Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old Yarny talk. Hello, this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel is mostly all about crochet. Just grab you a cup of coffee, grab you something to drink, and let's just see what I have today. There have been a lot of comments with questions here lately in quite a few of my videos. And I just want you guys to know that I am working on answering those questions. Some of them I have to dig up the information for, and it takes a little bit of time. So just bear with me till I can get all the info that I need. A lot of you are asking for patterns for things that you see in the background of my videos. Certain things that I may be wearing, and I might have made it a year ago, and so I have to kind of dig up information. And then you're asking me, about tips and things on certain things. And so, yeah, so just bear with me, and I'm trying my best to answer them as fast as I can. And I thank you so much for leaving the questions. I really, really do appreciate it, because a lot of your questions I'm actually learning from because of the questions. So, yeah, I appreciate that. And I just want to say thank you to everyone, to all my members of my channel, and thank you to all my subscribers of my channel. Just thank you guys. I appreciate you very much. Oh yeah, one thing that I wanted to show you guys is I have this little notebook that I started this year, and it's just, a regular 3-subject notebook. And what I've started doing, and I didn't bring it in here with me, so I'll show you in another video, but I did buy one of those little cameras that you can print from. And this is what I've been working on this year. I'm taking a photo of something that I made, and I am putting the information on the side. And I think this will help me a lot too in the future, as you guys ask me, like, where did I get that pattern? What's the name of that pattern? I can easily flip through this book, because as I turn the pages, like I made this for my sister, and this was the color combination, how many I did in certain colors. So in case I want to go back and make this again, like there's my scarf. And what I'm putting on here, in case you would like to do something like this for yourself, I'm just going to show you this a little bit. This one I made 2 scarves, so I put a little bitty round picture here. And there's that one. That's a Bag O' Day pattern. That's my slipper pattern. This is, that was a Crochet Males Crochet Club, but she's not doing that anymore. I wish she was. It was so good. I love that one. These are some baskets that I've been making. There's my flower garden scarf. I love that scarf. There's my Mickey Mouse thing. My daughter is doing her little baby boy's room in Mickey Mouse, so that's going to be fun. And that was some washcloths I did. That was that Mary Maxim. That was the Calming Comfort blanket. That was the Nana doll. And that was the hearts that you guys know is on my window there. And that was my cardigan. Besides the few doll patterns that I've created this year, they're in they are in a separate book. This is what I'm up to right now. That's what all I finished. But to give you an idea of the kind of stuff that I put in here. All right, let's go ahead and start with that one, just to give you an idea. I put ribbed crochet throw and the date that I finished it. And then I put on here pattern, premiere, and then it had the number right here. The hook size, 19 millimeter, a US S-35. Yarn, Premier Retro Velvet Grand. Yards, 44 yards times 6. Color white, and I put that it's 100% polyester. Weight 7 bulky. Size 28. Mine ended up being 28 by 48, and where I got it was the Mary Maxim Quarterly Afghan Kit Club. Machine wash, warm, dry, flat. And that's what I'm trying to do. I have as much information as I can possibly get to help me, repeat this pattern if I want to in the future, or, when someone asks me about it, I can easily go back and say, yeah, this is where I got it. So anyway, just stuff like that. It's just to kind of help me when I go back, and especially when you guys are asking questions about certain patterns, it helps me. that's just like, okay, this right here is one of my patterns from last summer. And I can't remember the name exactly, but it is the granny stitch. Easy granny stitch cardigan, something like that. So this one I made 2 in, so I'm pretty sure it's that was the name, because it's definitely granny stitch. The easy granny stitch cardigan, something like that. And so this behind me is actually my whip basket shelf. This is like, because all these projects can't fit on my whip cart, and so I am slowly making baskets. These are still in bags until I get some baskets made, and so are, well, this one here. So it looks like I probably need 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 more, and I'll have this whip basket cabinet filled with all these cool, pretty baskets. And I just love looking at them so much more than I do a bunch of bags sitting up there. Don't forget, I do have a tutorial on that, and I'm just like, I mean, I thought that the towel topper crochet along went really well, but that was a crochet along. This basket is not a crochet along, and you guys are just making them like crazy, and I'm still making them, and I'm just so excited. Every time I open up my Facebook group page and I see one of those baskets, I'm like, oh my gosh, another basket. And I'm just in love with it. And I'm just like showing my husband, and you know, I'm like, look, another basket. And so it really is just a lot of fun. The instructor of my husband's Krav Maga class that he goes to, she hasn't crocheted in a while. And she decided that after seeing my baskets that she wanted to make one. And so she went shopping and bought her some yarn, and she made her a basket. I'd like to give a huge shout out to Juanice for trying that basket. And not just that, but her son has actually went and bought him some yarn because he is going to try his hand at the crochet. She is teaching him. And I just think that is wonderful. I know my little grandson Knox, as he gets a little older, I'm going to be teaching him to crochet. So hopefully he'll enjoy it as much as his Gigi does. Anyway, so yeah, let me just show you a few things that I have some little video clips for. So let's take a look at that. Okay guys, this is the llama that I tested for Miss Hootie Hootin' Crafts. She does have a YouTube channel. And anyway, so this is the llama that I tested. I did add this little skirt right here to it. And she has it where you can seam across here so that the legs will bend and, you know, fold down to sit, which is what I wanted. I just wanted the llama to sit right there. Like I said, hers is a lot cuter than mine, but that's the way mine turned out. I'm just not that great with faces, guys. Feel like I did okay on the body, and I like the little skirt I added to it, but man, when it comes to faces, I struggle. I'm really surprised I got those as good as I did. Okay, so for the yarn, the turquoise color you see on there, oh, here it is. I mean, hope I don't give you guys whiplash coming over here. I forgot. But I had put it up. This is Big Twist, 100% acrylic, 380 yards in here. The color is teal. So that's the color of that one. So I used that. Let me slowly bring you back over here. And for her little skirt, I did Varsity Gold in the Big Twist. The gray was just scrap yarn, and so the white was Big Twist also. And then I kind of ran out of what I had. No, I'm sorry. Actually, my white was Hobby Lobby yarn that I had. And when I ran out, I just got this out of the scrap bin and started using it. And she had us to go use 2 different size hooks. And so she had a 5.0 and a 6 point, and I could not find my 6 point millimeter hook. I just don't know where it's at. So, I have ordered me another one, and so I went ahead and went down to a 5.5 and a 4.5 is what I ended up using. But thank you so much, Jeannie. I believe that's your first name. I just mostly know you by Miss Hootie Hootin' Crafts. And I just thank you so much for asking me to test this pattern. She really is a lot of fun. And I have sent this picture to the girls in my family, and they are all in love with it. You know, I showed them your picture, and I was like, now this is what it's supposed to look, and this is the way mine turned out. But they all loved mine. They said that they would all love to have one of these themselves. So anyway, thank you for that wonderful design. Oh yeah, and she does have a buoy that goes with it, and you can put magnets in their nose and have them kissing. Oh, isn't that just adorable? But anyway, I'm so excited. Well, actually, Miss Hootie Hootin' did not ask me to test. On her YouTube channel, she asked if anybody would like to test, and I sent her an email and told her that I would love to test. Or I think I left it in a comment on her video. That's what I did. I left a comment on her video and told her that I would love to be able to test this llama/alpaca. I don't know. But it is adorable. And let me scoot back a little bit and show you. It does look cute sitting in the chair. So, yeah, I'm going to keep it. So anyway, thank you so much. And I'll leave the links below once I find out where her pattern and stuff like that is. Okay, so let's take a look at this. This is the 2022 calendar that I am doing along with the Yarny Fiber Sisters. I will leave their links below. There are 3 ladies, or at least 2 ladies I know of. Maybe there's 3 that are hosting this, and I will leave their links below. They're very sweet ladies, and I love watching their videos. But anyway, this is what I'm going to do. And the reason you see the pillow is I'm going to attempt to do a chevron pillow. Yeah, that's it. That's what I plan on doing. And there will be a tutorial. And those are the colors that I picked for this. So I will keep you guys updated on this. Okay, I forgot to mention, but this calendar that I'm doing with the Yarny Fiber Sisters, along with several other people and other podcasters, is the Scenic Beauty 2022 12-month calendar. And I get this from my local Dollar Tree. But yeah, and I think on their Facebook group page, they actually post a picture of that month, so you can kind of see what colors you may need for that month. But that's the calendar that I'm going by right there. And this, so far, I've done 1 month, and I'm really looking forward to it. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. Okay, the reason I have these yarns out, Petra from Petra's Happy Place, she does have a YouTube channel. I will leave her link below, so you can go check out what all Petra's up to. And Petra does have live on her channel, and those are always a lot of fun to join. I don't get to join in as much as I would like, because I honestly can't keep up with who all has lives. There's so many, and I enjoy so many of them. So if I happen to just turn my phone on and I see someone's channel that I enjoy listening to and watching, and I see that their live is going, I will click in it and join, because, you know, I like to stay updated on what all is going on in this crochet world, just like you guys. Well, anyway, Petra had left me a comment, and she said that she thought that my sweater would look really good as a spring sweater if I did it like maybe in a coral color. Well, Petra, I agree with you, but this is the only coral that I have, and I only have one of these. So I thought maybe I would pull out this blue. I hope it's showing up blue and not purple, but it is blue. And actually, one of my cardigans that I did last summer, someone in my Facebook group page, I remember they did one of them in this blue, and it was really pretty. So, Petra, I'm going to try and find another one of these. But if I don't find one, before I get ready to start it, I will go ahead and do one in the blue. But I'm going to keep that just in case. But I appreciate your comment. I thought that was very sweet that you said coral would look really good on me. And guys, I have started the video tutorial on the essential sweater. So far I have the pockets done, part of the tutorial. I went ahead and did those two and got them out of the way. And you can see the stitch so much better on this lighter color than you can on the black. But I've got it all ready in my basket here. Some of you have asked about how many strands I use. I use 3 strands on all these baskets that I've done. That is 3 strands, and they're I like to use white as my main color, and then whatever colors come up out of my scrap ball bag is usually what I just go with. But white is the one that I usually keep all the way through it. I like that marbled look that it has by using the white. But anyway, so yeah, hopefully I'll get done with this pretty soon. Okay, guys, let's do our 365 days of prayer. Okay, remain faithful. If we are faithless, he remains faithful, for he cannot deny himself. 2 Timothy 2:13. Faithful Father, you are undeniably good in your consistency. You don't go back on your promises even when I lose all faith. How can that be? Thank you that your follow through is not dependent on my own. I am so grateful that your word is your honor. It is such a relief to realize that you are bigger, better, and more steady than I can imagine. When I start to wander and wonder, lead me back to you in your loving kindness. As the psalm says, your faithfulness stretches to the skies. It is beyond my understanding, though it blows me away with your goodness at every new level of revelation. As you are faithful, may I reflect you in this way, becoming more and more like you. Thank you for a new day to experience your unwavering pursuit. You are so worthy of my praise. How has God's faithfulness changed your life? It has changed my life dramatically. So tomorrow is Wednesday's Whip Caddy video. So be sure, and if you have a Whip Caddy, a Whip cart, and you would like for it to be highlighted in tomorrow's video, be sure and post it in my Facebook group page. The link is below in the description box. And you can email me. My email is in the description box below as well. Let's see. I know there was something else. That's all that I have for this video. Guys, just remember to live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.